Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating and verifying your account so you can trade legally and avoid blocked transactions. First, open Groww, tap Sign Up or Login, and enter PAN and Aadhaar. This completes KYC with an e-sign in minutes. Once done, link your bank account for UPI or IMPS and enable net banking so transfers are instant. Make sure to set a secure passcode and enable biometric login. This speeds recurring trades and keeps your funds protected. You now pick what to buy and why. Stocks for growth, mutual funds for diversification, ETFs for low-cost exposure. Search or browse the Explore tab, use filters for sector, market cap, or fund type, and read a fund fact sheet to gauge expense ratio and 3 to 5 year returns. Once comfortable, decide SIP versus lump sum based on your time horizon. SIP smooths volatility, lump sum captures immediate opportunities. Then add to cart and preview order details before placing it. You execute trades by choosing market for instant fills or limit to control price. Confirm quantity, brokerage, and margins if trading derivatives. Once orders are placed, monitor performance in portfolio, set price alerts, and use stop-loss or target orders to manage risk. If an order fails or payment stalls, first verify KYC and linked bank status, then update the app and retry. If issues persist, contact Groww support with order ID. One troubleshooting tip: clear cache and re-login before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.